Respond ചെയ്യ്.
clear ആണ്.
Okay. അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ അടുത്ത ഇൻപുട്ട് കോമ്പിനേഷനിലേക്ക് പോട്ടെ. So the next input combination എന്തായിരിക്കും?
1 0.
1 0. Okay. In that case, okay, 1 minute, please. S R Q 0 0 നമ്മൾ നോക്കി 0 1 നോക്കി next is 1 0. S is equal to 1, R is equal to 0. So what will be output of G3? Input to G3 is 1, so output of G3 will be
0.
0. What about G4? Input to G4 is 0, so output from G4 will be
1.
1. Okay. Now, can you tell me output from G1? What will be output from G1?
1.
G1 is a NAND gate. One input to NAND gate is 0. So output of NAND gate will be equal to
1.
1. ഒരു ഇൻപുട്ട് 0 ആണ്, മറ്റേ ഇൻപുട്ട് എന്ത് തന്നെ ആയാലും NAND gate ആയതുകൊണ്ട് output will be equal to 1. Okay, now let's consider G2. ഇവിടെ ഒരു 1 കിട്ടി, ആ 1 ഇവിടെ വരും. Now G2 is a NAND gate with both the inputs equal to 1. So what will be output Q bar?
0.
0. ഇവിടെ Q1 ആണ്, Q bar 0. They should be complement to each other. Complement ആയിട്ട് തന്നെ വന്നില്ലേ? Q1 ആണെങ്കിൽ Q bar 0. രണ്ട് ഔട്ട്പുട്ട്സ് ഉണ്ട് for a flip flop. Both should be complement to each other. It is one condition. That is satisfied in the previous case. It has satisfied. Okay, so output 1. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's go to the next row. S R Q 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, 1 1. Both the inputs are 1. S equal to 1, R equal to 1. What about output from G3?
0.
0.
0. What about output from G4?
0.
0. So what will be output G1? Output from G1?
1.
1.
1. What about output from G2?
1.
1. G1 in the or input 0 yana, so output from G1 will be 1. G2 in the or input 0 yana, so expected output from G2 will be equal to 1. Now we got Q equal to 1, Q bar equal to 1. Is this ശരിയാവുമോ? ഇല്ല. So in this case, when both the inputs S equal to 1, R equal to 1, the output Q and Q bar will tend to equal to 1, which is not allowed condition. Which condition is not allowed? The condition is not allowed condition and forbidden state and okay, parent. So not allowed means never give S equal to 1, R equal to 1 input combination to an SR flip flop. This is now is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So S equal to S, R, both the input equal to 1 combination. ഒരിക്കലും SR flip flop ലേക്ക് കൊടുക്കാൻ പാടില്ല. കൊടുത്താൽ എന്ത് പറ്റും? The input outputs Q and Q bar both will tend to equal to 1, which is not allowed. Okay. Now is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So this is the truth table for SR flip flop. When both the inputs are 0, output will retain previous. When S equal to 0, R equal to 1, Q equal to 0. Q 0 ആകുമ്പോൾ Q bar 1. നമ്മൾ ആ condition check ചെയ്തതാണ്. When input SR equal to 1, 0. Output Q is equal to 1, Q bar is 0. ശരിയല്ലേ?
Yes, miss.
When both the inputs S equal to 1, R equal to 1, both try to become 1. Both Q and Q bar will try to become 1, which is not allowed. So this is the truth table for an SR flip-flop. In the first row, output retains same as previous. And in the second row, output Q 0, right? Q matram nokkiyal Q 0. So when output equal to 0, we will say that the flip-flop is reset. Adalla output 1 aanannundengil we will say that the flip-flop is set to 1. Okay. So ഈ ട്രൂത്ത് ടേബിൾ ഒരിക്കലും മറക്കാൻ പാടില്ല. ഓർത്തിരിക്കാനുള്ള എളുപ്പപ്പണി ഇതാണ്. എസും ആറും ഔട്ട്പുട്ട് ക്യൂ when both equal to 0 retain previous value. Okay, previous value ൽ നിൽക്കും. പിന്നെ S 0, R1, 1 0, 1 1. These are the possible combination. Second row നോക്കിക്കേ S 0യും R1 ഉമാണ്. R1 means flip-flop will reset. Reset means Q equal to 0. Third row il nokkike S1 aanu. S1 ഉം R0 ആണെങ്കിൽ flip-flop will set to 1, which means Q equal to 1. Okay. ഇതിനു വേണ്ടി തന്നെയാണ് ഇവർക്ക് S ഒന്നും R എന്നും തന്നെ വാല്യൂ ഇട്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. സോറി, നെയിം ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. Okay. Is it clear, SR flip-flop?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you draw and write the truth table. Next is clock. കഴിഞ്ഞില്ല. Next is clocked SR flip-flop. Here the only difference is that a clock input is given to the flip-flop. From the last case, the only difference is that a clock input CLK, which is the clock input, is given to the gates G3 and G4. Clock input means which is pulses like this. Clock input will be pulses like this. This will be the clock signal. Okay. This will be like this. So here, the thing is that in the last case, SR flip-flop, when input is given to the gates G3 and G4, at the instant we are giving input, the output will change accordingly. Okay. But here the difference is that the output will show variations only if clock equal to 1. Clock signal will vary between 1 and 0. Clock input will vary between 1 and 0. And the effect of input will available at the output side only when clock signal equal to 1. So let's check what will happen when clock equal to 0. When clock equal to 0, what will be output of G3 and G4? Initially,
1.
clock is 0. When clock is equal to 0, output from G3 and G4 will be equal to 1 irrespective of the values of S and R. Okay.
R.
Irrespective of values of S and R, G3 will be equal to 1, which means inputs S and R having no effect at the output side. Now let's check what will be the output when clock is equal to 1. When clock is equal to 1, output of G3 will be equal to S bar. And G4 will be equal to R bar, and the working will be same as in the previous case. Okay. So the only thing is that the change in or the variation in input will affect the output only if clock equal to 1.
1.
Clock 0. When clock is equal to 0, input of G3 and G4 are 1. Sorry, output of G3 and G4 are 1. So there will not be any change in outputs of G1 and G2. When clock equal to 0, irrespective of values of S and R, G3 and G4 will be 1. So there will not be any change in Q. Clock 1 when clock is equal to 1, output of G3 and G4 are functions of inputs S and R. Clock 1 is 0, R0 ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ തന്നെ there will not be any change in output or unchanged. അതല്ല S0 R1 ആണെങ്കിൽ flip flop will reset to 0. നേരത്തെ SR flip flop പോലെ തന്നെ ഒരു വ്യത്യാസവും ഇല്ല. When S0 R1 flip flop will reset. Reset means Q is equal to 0 and Q bar is equal to 1. അതല്ല S equal to 1 and R is equal to 0 ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിലോ flip flop will set to 1. Working same as previous case. Q1 ആയിരിക്കും. So flip flop will set. Set means Q1 Q bar 0. When both S equal to 1 R equal to 1 ആണെങ്കിൽ this combination is not possible, which is a forbidden state. Is it clear? എഴുതിയെടുക്കോ പെട്ടെന്ന് എഴുതിയെടുത്തേ ഇത് ഇതുപോലെ നിങ്ങളുടെ നോട്ട്സിനകത്ത് ഉണ്ട് കേട്ടോ.